Hello and welcome back to this data analysis that I want to do daily from now on. I woke up this morning to 65.3 kilos, which is a net loss of 650 grams since yesterday. Yesterday I was at 65.95, approximately 10.7 pounds. So in 36 days. I had an insomnia, so I was very tired. Upon awakening, I drank 2 espressos, 2 black espressos, no sugar, no coffee, no milk, and broke my fast with a hot chocolate at 10:30 a.m., which is an overnight fast of 15 hours. I then walked to go to the gym. It's very nice out, it's very sunny. I know a lot of people find it very hard to walk every day. They kind of force themselves to get steps in. For me, walking is actually it's a fun experience. I don't listen to music. I don't listen to a podcast. I don't try to use this time to do things and be productive. I actually stay focused on the route, and whether that's in nature or in the city. And I also use this time to kind of meditate. I just listen to my thoughts. I listen to whatever's going on. I get inspiration from these walks. So for me, there's no way I'm going to listen to anything else than my own thoughts. It might not work for you. I prefer that than jogging. I think I'm too heavy for jogging anyway. I'm starting to want to jog, but I want to get to my healthier weight of 59 kilos for my height before I start putting any pressure on my knees. And I know jogging is not going to help lose weight faster. I think actually walking is the best thing, because not everybody can walk. That's not true. There's more people who can walk than jog, that's for sure. I did not drink my protein smoothie at home. I brought it on the way. I wasn't super hungry, so I drank that on the way. But when I arrived at the gym, it was closed. That's a bad surprise, but what can we do? It wasn't announced, so instead of going to the gym, I went to the cafe and I had a little espresso with milk. So yeah, I finally had my last meal at 5, closed my eating window at 5:30, and I heated up a portion of hake, fish, of quinoa and broccoli, and I started the meal with an appetizer of soup, lentil, potato, corn, and mushroom. It was really good. I didn't have any interest in chocolate or any kind of dessert. I didn't want cheese. I didn't want crackers. I was really full, satisfied, but actually full because of the lentils. They're very, very, very filling. They also add a lot of protein. So total amount of calories consumed yesterday, 1,216 calories. It is very low. If I had eaten a third meal, I could have bumped that up to 1,800. 1,900, 2,000 calories. But when you skip a meal, when you fast intermittently, you tend to have less calories, except if you want to catch up and just maintain with your daily calories. So in that case, you can eat bigger meals, but I have no interest. I have to say 500 calories per meal of nutritious food is pretty good for me. I walked a total of 21,298 steps, which is a lot. That's approximately 15.3 kilometers. So this is it. That's my day yesterday. That whatever I did yesterday, that explains the weight loss of 650 grams. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you want some more.